चलो A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
cat,
H for
hand,
I for
shooting,
J for
joker,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
nest,
monkey,
monkey,
N for
monkey,
N for nest,
nest,
O for
orange,
P for
peacock,
Q for
umbrella,
Q for quill,
quill,
R for
late,
S for
hand,
sparrow,
shadow,
T for
dog,
toy,
toy,
U for
umbrella,
V for
violin,
W for
watch,
X for
dictionary,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra.
zebra.